Okay, so good day everyone. We have the last topic for the octal number system division. Okay, so we have the rule. Okay, so rule, convert the divisor to decimal and convert the first dividend and the succeeding dividends to decimal and proceed to decimal division. Okay, so what is the purpose of this? The purpose is to verify that your answers are correct, since division in octal numbers are very tricky and sometimes it's very it's erroneous for us. Okay, so like I said, we have to convert them to decimal number. Okay, so convert to decimal number. Okay, so another technique to convert octal to decimal number is that, okay, so the sum of all the digits, say for example octal digit number, so the least significant bit is multiplied by 1, the second digit is multiplied by 8, the third digit is multiplied by 16, the fourth digit is multiplied by 512, and the fifth digit for the octal multiplied to 4096. And sum it up, the answer is, okay, so the sum will be the decimal. Okay, so this is your decimal value. Okay, the sum of this will become your decimal value. Okay, so first convert the divisor. Okay, so our divisor is 17, so convert to decimal. So 1 times 7, and that will be 7. The other one is 8 times 1 is equals to 8, and 7 plus 8 is of course 15 in decimal, so base 10. Okay. This is our divisor. So our divisor is 15 base 10. So this is our divisor. Okay, so our divisor, the first dividend is 24. So convert 24, we convert 24. Okay, so we convert 24. Okay, so let's arrange. Okay, so 24. So 24. Okay, so 24 will be 1 times 4 is equals to 4. The next 8 times 2, and that will be 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20 base 10. Okay, so meaning 20 divided by 15. Okay, 24 divided by 17 is simply 20 divided by 15. Okay, so 20 divided by 15 is of course 1. Okay, so 1 times 7 is 7. Copy 7. 1 times 1 is 1, and then subtract 17 to 24. 4 minus 7 cannot be, so borrow 1, 2 will become 1. So 2 will become 1. 2 will become 1, and 4 plus 1, which is equivalent to 8. 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 7, and that will be equal to 5. Okay, so bring down 6. The next, convert 56. So 56. So 56, so we have 1 times 6 equals to 6, and then 8 times 5, and that will be equals to 40, and our answer is 46 base 10. Okay, so just follow the procedure. So meaning 56 divided by 17. Okay, so 56 divided by 17 is simply 46 divided by 15. Okay, so 46, 3 times 15 is 45. So meaning, 56 divided by 17 is 3. Okay? So write 3. 3 times 7 is 21. So 21 minus 16. So 21 minus 16 is 5. Okay? So 5. 21 minus 16 is 5. Okay? 21 minus 16 is 5. Carry 2. Okay? 16 is 2. So, meaning carry 2. Carry 2. So, we have carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 times plus 2 is 5. So, we have here 55. Okay? So, you can watch again the video. Okay? Start. So, therefore, we have 56 minus 55 in octal, of course, is equals to 1. Then, bring down 5. So, of course, 15 cannot be. 15 divided by 17 cannot be. So, we write 0. The next, bring down 1. Okay, so bring down 1. Again, we convert 151. Okay, so 151, that will be 1 times 1 equals to 1. Then the next, 8 times 5 is equals to 40. And the next, next is 64. Okay, so the next value, the third digit is 64. So 64 times 1 is equals 64. So we have so 60 plus 40 is 100 plus 4 is 104 plus 1 is 105. So 105 base 10. Okay, so can we divide 105 by 15? So of course yes. So 105 divided by 15 is 7. So meaning 151 in octal is equivalent to 105 in decimal. So therefore, 151 divided by 17 is simply 105 divided by 15, and the answer is 7. Okay? So this is 7. 7 times 7 is 7 times 7 is 49. Okay? So 49 divided by 8 is 49 divided by 8 is 6. So meaning 49 minus 48 is 1. So 1 and 48 is carry, meaning 48 is carry. 48 divided by 8, and that will be equal to 6. Okay? So 6. No. 49. 49. 7 times 7 is 49. Minus 48 is 1 carry. So 48 divided by 8 is carry 6. Okay, so this is 6. Carry 6. Okay, so 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6. Plus 6 is 13. So 13 minus 8, and that will be 5. That will be 5 carry 1. So bring down 1. So this is 151. Okay? Just review the video. Okay? Just review the video. Okay? So then, we subtract. Of course, this one is 0. So bring down 2. Okay? So 2 divided by 17 is cannot be. So our final answer is remainder by 2 over 17. So the final answer is 1,307 remainder 2 over 7. Okay? So, you can watch again the video or another video, another example for the octal number division. Okay? So, thank you and good day to all of us. So, again, good day to all of you. So, we have another example for octal number division. Okay? So, take note, we discussed already last meeting the octal to decimal conversion. Okay? So, just review that first video for the octal number system division. Okay, so let's review. The least significant bit is multiplied by 1, the second digit is multiplied by 8, the third digit is multiplied by 64, the fourth digit is multiplied by 512, and the fifth digit is multiplied by 4096. Okay, so of course the rule is convert the divisor to decimal, the first dividend and the succeeding dividends to decimal, and proceed to decimal division. Okay, so you know okay, so as I said, it is difficult to divide octal numbers since we are not familiar with those division. Okay, so we are not familiar for this division since we use in daily lives is the decimal division. Okay, so we use decimal numbers for countings. Okay, so if you are one of the prodigy, okay, so if you are one of the prodigy in the subject, maybe you can divide automatically octal numbers by an octal numbers without converting to decimal number. So okay, so it depends. One factor also is the IQ of the students, or if you are born prodigy, then you can easily divide octal numbers or even divide hexadecimal number by octal numbers without conversion. Okay, but anyway, only machines can do that, such as computer can divide those problems in octal and decimal hexadecimal numbers. Okay, so example number 2, let's proceed. Okay, so first we are going to convert first our divisor, which is 24, to decimal. So 1 times 4, that will be equal to 4, and 8 times 2, and that will be equal to 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20 base 10. Meaning, our divisor 24 is simply 20 in decimal number system. Okay? So, first, our first dividend is, of course, a two-digit number, which is 51. Okay? So, 51 is our first dividend. So, let's convert our first dividend, 51. Okay? So, this is our, okay, so 24 is our divisor. Okay, 24 is the divisor. These are the dividends. The dividends. Okay, so first dividend is 51. So 51 meaning 1 times 1, that will be equal to 1, and then 8 times 5, and that will be equal to 40, and 40 plus 1 is 41 base 10. Okay, so meaning 41 divided by 20. 51 divided by 24 is simply 41 divided by 20. Of course, 41 divided by 20 is, the answer is 2. Okay, so disregard those remainder. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0, carry 1. Okay, so carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, and that will be equal to 5. Okay, so then proceed to subtraction. Of course, 51 minus 50 is 1, and then bring down 6. Okay, so therefore we have another dividends, the second dividend. The second dividend is 16. So convert. So 1 times 6 equals to 6. and then 8 times 1, and that will be equal to 8, and 6 plus 8, and that will be equal to 14 base 10. Okay? Of course, 14 divided by 20 cannot be, so our answer is simply equal to 0. Okay, so this is 0. 0 times 24 is 0, 0, so therefore bring down 7. Okay, next. Okay, so 0. So bring down 7. So therefore, our third dividend will be 167. So 167 is equals to 1 times 7, and that will be 7. And then 8 times 6 is equals to 48. And next is 64 times 1 is equals to 64 for the third digit. Okay, so then we add 64 plus 7, and that will be 119 base 10. Okay, so 119 base 10 is simply 19 base 10 divided by 20 is simply equal to 5. Okay, or meaning 167 divided by 24 is simply equivalent to 119 divided by 20. So 119 divided by 20, and that will be equal to 5. Okay, so 5. Alright, so 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 carry 2. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Carry 1. So we write 1. Okay? So then proceed to subtraction. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay? So 23 divided by 24 is cannot be. Okay? The next, bring down. Okay, so let's cut the carries. Bring down 3. Okay, so bring down 3. The next dividend is 233. Okay, so 1 times 3, that will be equal to 3. The next, 8 times 3 equals to 24. And the next, 64 times 2, that will be equal to 128. Okay, so that will be 128. So therefore we have 128 plus 24 plus 3, that will be equal to 155 base 10. Okay, so 155 base 10, meaning 233 is equals to 155. So 233 divided by 24 is simply equal to 155 divided by 20. So 125, so that will be 155 divided by 20, and that will be 7. 7 times 140. Okay, so 7. So write 7. Okay, so 7 times 4, so we have 28. Okay, so 28 minus 24. Okay, so 28 minus 24 is 4. Carry 3. Okay, carry 3. So 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 24 is 4. Carry 3. Okay, so recall your addition. Okay, so recall your addition and multiplication. Okay, then 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 is 17. So 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 minus 16 is 1, carry 2. So write 2. Okay? Then proceed to subtraction. So we have a 3 minus 4 cannot be, so borrow 1 from 3, so 3 will become 2. Okay? So 3 plus 8 is 11, minus 4 is, that is 7. And we have 2 minus 1 will become 1. Okay? So then bring down 2. Okay? So we have the last dividend. So 172. So 172. Okay? So 172. 172. So we have 1 times 2 equals to 2. Then 8 times 7 equals to 56. Then 64 times 1, and that will be equal to 64. Then we have, okay, so we have 8 times 64 and that will be 122. Okay, base 10 is 122 base 10, meaning 172 is simply equal to 122 base 10. Okay, so we have 122 divided by 20, and the answer is, of course, 6. 6 times 20 is 120. So therefore, this is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So meaning this is 0, carry 3. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 8 carry 1. So carry 1. So we have 170. So 172 minus 170, and our answer is 2. So therefore we have 2 over 24 for the remainder. So therefore our final answer is 20,000. Okay, so let's write 20,576 remainder 2 over 24, and this is of course base 8. Okay, so I hope you can review the video, and or you can rewatch the video, and I hope you understand the procedure for the second example. Okay, it's a matter on how you practice or you study this procedure. Okay, so good day and God bless us all.